Lifted van meet, November 2025. I almost canceled this meet because I've been going through a lot this year. And my buddy Jeff, when I announced the meet the beginning of the year, he took the time off in advance, and then he let me know, hey man, I'm gonna get out anyway. You know, I need a break. You know, he got this van built up, action van suspension lift kit, medical van with the top. He just wanted to get out. I said, listen man, I'm gonna get out anyway because I love going here. I just didn't want to commit to the meet because I didn't know if I was gonna do it. So this is, and then the meet happened. You know, the meet happened, so we're here.
Yeah.
This is the meet. So tell us a little about your van story, man.
Yeah, first time getting out. Like I say, I talked to you earlier in the year about getting out this weekend, and I just wanted to get out. I've built this van over the past few months, but really over the past 2 weeks, I got quite a bit done. And I was like, man, I'm ready to get. Yeah, I'm ready to get out and do something. So I'm glad the meet happened. Great group of guys out here. It was really fun. Coming across the country was interesting. You know, you kind of work out all the little details of like what needs to be fixed and stuff with the van. So I got that on my list to do. But yeah, great time overall.
So how did you feel about sleeping in your van for a couple of days,
Yeah,
man?
I was kind of wondering, like, it's been kind of a little chilly out here, but it hasn't been too bad. Sleeping in the van was good. I found a little window leak that I got to fix.
The rear.
Yeah.
I think a lot of Econolines have rear window leaks.
Yeah, so that was a little interesting to get kind of wet in the middle of the night. But other than that, it's worked great. Going home will be a little dicey. It's going to probably be down the low 30s going home, so may have to run the heater for that. So I haven't had to run it yet, but
every time I do these lifted van meets, I want to film more, and I never do because I get into the moment. I'm getting the filming in today. He's going to take off with these gentlemen right here. They're going to hit the trails, and I'm going to cut in the trail, what the trails look like getting here. It's like the perfect difficulty for a two-wheel drive lifted van, right?
Yeah, perfect. It's super fluid trail, just a little bit of loose stuff, you know, coming over like hills, everything, but like nothing too technical, nothing that's going to tear anything up.
Perfect clearance trail.
Yeah.
Yep, this is the action van suspension ultimate kit on this one, and it's a former medical van. A lot of people love these steps. So it has a grab handle and everything, so, and that's didn't get in the way at all, even though it's coming down so low.
I was kind of wondered about that, but yeah, it was perfect with a little bit bigger tires and the lift kit. Everything was great.
There you go. This is thrown together in like 2 weeks.
Yep.
And he's out here.
Yep.
Nothing fancy.
No.
Made it work.
Yep. A little bit dirty. Gonna have to clean up before we get back, or when we get back. But you know, that just comes with the territory.
Yeah.
So.
We're out. We've been out in the rain for 2 days. Thankfully, we got some good weather because I'm like, man, Jeff is coming here from Texas, man, and it's raining. We might not even get to see this trail, but we did.
Yeah.
And then the rims are nice, man. You said these weren't even expensive.
Not even expensive wheels. Yeah, I got them from Summit Racing and just kind of threw them on there. Something, you know, cheap that I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on. And,
they look good, man.
They look good. Yeah.
I might copy you, man.
Yeah, there's not a whole lot to pick from in the 8-lug like wheel category if you want to go cheap, you know. So
I like it.
Yeah, these
look good.
Yeah.
I might copy you, man.
Yeah, go right ahead.
A lot of people like say, hey, you influenced me to get this, and you know.
Yeah.
And then he got the Ryan light bar right here.
Picked that up. Ryan delivered it, so put that on when I get home.
Yep, free shipping.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the way
free shipping. And then there's his decals right here. There it is, man. Former medical van, now a lifted camper van build. It's gonna get better. He just threw this together for this meet. Got out here, and that's the key, guys. Get out here. A lot of people getting their vans dirty for the first time. This is your first time with this thing, right?
Oh yeah. Just get out and just throw whatever you need into the van, and it doesn't have to be perfect. A lot of these guys' vans are all built out, but they've been doing it for quite a while. Just get out and put what you need in there, and you'll be great, man.
Yep,
you'll have a good time.
This guy was on the road 3 days, and he's out here. We've been camping 3 days, so he's been on the road for almost a week, leaving out of this thing.
It'll be a week, or it'll probably be over a week by the time I get back. So yeah.
All right, guys, this is Jeff's van. I will post his YouTube in the comment section. I'll pin it, and I'm gonna tell him right now. I hope you post more, man.
I will. I need to start doing more videos for the
yes, sir.
Field, so.
This is nice, man. This is nice. I was so happy for him when he told me he's getting his lift kit installed. It never gets old. 100 people have told me I'm getting a lift kit installed, and I love to hear about it every single time. See you, man. Yeah, Jeff. Be safe, buddy. All right, they're headed out. He's going back to Texas, Nevada. Not sure where he's going. Let me know in the comment section, buddy. Where are you going? That's a majestic sight right there. Gigantic lifted vans. I love it. No matter how many of my friends get lifted, every time they tell me I'm getting lifted, I'm getting four-wheel drive, I'm happy for them. Disappearing into the canyons. There they go.